Hello everybody, welcome to my kitchen playground. Today I'm going to show you how to make this sourdough pumpkin bread, which is a little bit twist from the ordinary sourdough bread. It smells so nice. Let's see how can we turn the flour, starter, milk, and pumpkin into this beautiful loaf. Throughout this video, I'll walk you through every step, from preparing your pumpkin to mastering the shaping, ensuring your loaf turns out perfect every time. And trust me, the smell alone is worth it. Get ready to bake some sunshine. Let's get started. So why add pumpkin to the sourdough? Beyond the gorgeous color, pumpkin adds incredible moisture and a delicate sweetness that beautifully complements the sour notes of our starter. It also gives the bread a wonderful soft crumb. Let's gather our cast of characters for today's bake. First up, we are going to start with our Autolyse, a simple step that really helps with gluten development. We're just mixing the flour, milk mixture, and starter until there are no dry bits left. It might feel a bit messy and sticky at first. That's totally normal. After 30 minutes, we'll do our 5 minutes pinch and fold and add our salt. Salt is crucial for flavor and also help to strengthen our dough. I always like to spread it evenly over the dough before mixing it. Give it a good mix until everything is well integrated. Once it's all mixed, we'll cover our dough and let it rest for another 40 minutes. We'll be doing a series of coil for over the next 4 hours according to my working temperature. Remember, consistent temperature is the key here. I'm keeping my dough around 26 Celsius degree to ensure a predictable ferment. Which is said, You will feel the dough gaining more tension and strength. It becomes less sticky and hold its shape better. We'll do 5 sets of coil folds, resting 40 minutes between each set. After the final set of coil folds, we will let the dough rest undisturbed until it's ready for shaping. How do we know it's ready? 1. Look for the significant increase in 50 rise in volume. 2. A dome surface and plenty of visible bubble. Once your bulk fermentation is complete, it's time to gently coax our dough into shape. Lightly flour your work surface and carefully turn your dough out. You'll notice how airy and bubbly it is. Handle it with care. Now for pre-shaping. This step is about gently creating tension in the dough, preparing it for its final shape. Don't worry about perfection here. We just want to create a taut skin on the outside. After pre-shaping, we will let the dough rest on the counter covered for about 15 minutes. This is called the bench rest. Baking day is the best day. Preheat your oven with your Dutch oven in size to 250 degrees Celsius. It needs to be screaming hot. Carefully invert your cold dough onto parchment paper. Now for the fun part is scoring. This isn't just for the look. It allows the bread to expand predictably in the oven, giving you that beautiful ear. Use a sharp lame and be confident. Carefully transfer your loaf into the hot Dutch oven. Put the lid on and bake for 25 minutes with the lid on. Then remove the lid and bake for another 20 minutes until it's deeply golden brown. And there it is, the glorious pumpkin sourdough bread. Allow your bread to cool completely for at least an hour before sliding. This is crucial for the crumb structure. And now for the moment of truth. Look at that! That beautiful airy crumb tinted with that amazing pumpkin color is perfectly baked thanks to all our hard work on the bulk fermentation and shaping. The bread is very soft because I use milk instead of water. The liquid in the ingredients. Oh wow, it's got that perfect sourdough tang, but it's balanced with a subtle sweetness and incredible moisture from the pumpkin. It's so soft yet still chewy. This bread is truly a feast for the eyes and the taste bud. I hope you enjoy my video and please subscribe to my channel because I always come up with a new recipe about baking and cooking. Thanks for watching and we will see each other again in my kitchen playground.